QC tracking is critical to clinical delivery, yet teams typically manage it in systems completely separate from their statistical computing environment. This creates friction, delays, and compliance risk. With Domino, your QC workflow is embedded directly where your statistical work happens, eliminating context switching and ensuring every deliverable is traceable, reproducible, and audit ready from the start. Here's our QC plan for the CDISC 01 reporting effort. You're looking at a consolidated view of all deliverables required to complete this study. I have a stage assigned to me for the TPOP TFL, and my first task is self-QC. To gather my outputs, I'll navigate to the most recent completed workflow run. Inside the flow, you can see the TPOP report was successfully created, along with my SDTM and ATOM datasets. This workflow ran in a defined, reproducible sequence critical for regulated pipelines. All outputs are organized as flow artifacts, making it easy to capture exactly what was generated when. As QC tracking is embedded in the workflow itself, there's no need to switch to an external system. I can attach this output directly to my deliverable, saving time and reducing the risk of disconnected evidence. Whether it's TFLs, data, or code, everything lives in a single source of truth. This ensures mandatory evidence is captured at the point of execution, not retroactively tracked in isolated spreadsheets. Now that all required attachments are present and clearly organized, Domino goes a step further. It maintains full data lineage for every file. You can see exactly how each output was created, from which workflow run, and with what inputs. This traceability is what makes your deliverables fully auditable and submission ready. As we advance our stage, notice the other stages are locked. This QC plan is sequential, meaning steps must be completed in order. QC isn't optional, it's enforced. Once I complete the required form, I can transition to stage 2 double programming. Looking ahead, you can see the flexibility Domino offers. In stage 3, a study lead must review and approve all outputs before final submission. QC plans are fully customizable. You can define stages, assign reviewers, and require specific evidence. Additionally, every action, review, and attachment is captured in a unified audit trail. This is what compliance teams expect from best-in-class SCE QC tracking. Now, as an administrator or a study lead, you need visibility into all active QC plans. Domino provides a centralized interface to view plans, track their usage across projects, and update them as processes evolve. You can edit plans through the UI or take a code-first approach. With each edit, a new version is created, so you always have a record of how your QC policies have evolved. Lastly, throughout the QC lifecycle, team members receive in-platform notifications and email alerts. Everyone knows their assigned role, what evidence is required, and where reviews stand. This keeps critical delivery efforts on schedule and ensures accountability across the team. With Domino QC tracking for SCE, your teams can centralize critical delivery efforts on a single platform, reducing compliance risk, accelerating review cycles, and ensuring every deliverable is reproducible and audit ready from day one.